Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today I'll be doing a video walk around of our 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle is featuring our black metallic paint along with our black Chevrolet bow tie and black alloy rims. On to the front interior now of the Tahoe. We have our leather as well as our chrome door handle and wood paneling down below. Just next to the chrome door handle we have our lock and unlocks. Below that we have our rear window locks, our child locks, our 4 automatic windows as well as our power mirrors and power mirror fold-in. To the left of the steering wheel, we have our interior lighting dimmer switch, our daytime running lights, as well as our 4-wheel drive system. Just above that is our park assist and lane keep assist, as well as our traction control and our pedal adjustment. We have our digital dash in the middle, as well as our 2 physical odometer and speedometer. To the right of the steering wheel is the adjustment for the odometer, the digital portion. We also have our voice controls and our phone hang-up or radio mute. To the left, we have our adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, and normal cruise controls. We have a full leather wrap steering wheel as well, our push start button, infotainment system. If we go ahead and press the home button, we can view we have our audio phone projection for our phone as well as our navigation. Just below that is our audio controls for our radio, as well as our climate controls. The screen here displays the current temperature, as well as our screen below that. Wrapped around both corners in the leather, we have our heated seats for both passenger and driver. We have our 12-volt as well as another 2 USBs. We have our 2 cup holders. Top of the center console, we have our remote charging station. Inside, we have our 2 USB ports as well as our auxiliary input. And on this side, we have our 12-volt. The seats themselves are full patent leather with white stitching. Just above the rear view mirror, you can see we have our 3 garage door openers, our sunroof controls, as well as our power liftgate, max recorders, and completely off. You just push the button in to use it, as well as our interior dome lighting, and our rear view mirror for the children, and our sunglass holder. And as well, just above is our sunroof. On the outside, we have our black alloy rims, our Tahoe badging in chrome, as well as our chrome trim around our windows. We have that privacy tint in the rear for a 35% privacy tint for the rear passengers. We have our chrome Tahoe as well as our Z71 badging in the rear. If we press the rubber pad under here or use the key fob, we can activate our power liftgate. In the rear to the right, we have our controls for our rear seats. Very similar to the Escalade. They fold down and also can fold back up. Now on to the interior of the Tahoe. We have our power outlet as well as our fans and rear heated seats, and our 12-volt on the opposite side. Below that we have our storage compartment. The back of both the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. The door panel itself features our patent leather as well as our wooden insert and our speaker down below with chrome ring. The rear seats also feature our patent leather. We go ahead and open up the middle seat. We have our 2 cup holders and storage. The far rear features that same patent leather as well as a cup holder on the side and storage compartment. Thank you for watching this video walk around of our 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.